Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Yes, Persian blue color, orange color, yellow color. Kids, the next one is white color, silver color, and the next one is light green color, red color. Stay with us. The next one is light pink color, sky blue color. Kids, the next one is black color. And the next one is, yes, dark green color, brown color. And the next one is dark pink color. And the last one is blue color. Today we're writing alphabets A to Z. First we're using the color of orange, A. And the next one is B, C, D for dark. Yes, now we're using the color of dark pink color, E, F. And the next one is G, H, I, J for joker. Yes, now we're using the color of blue. Stay with us. K, L, M for moon, M for mango. Now we're using the color of red. N, O, P, Q for queen, R for rosa for rice. Yes, now we're using the color of yellow. S, T, U, V. The next one is W. Brown color, W for wool. X, Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.